Dasenmining is a world-class and professional manufacturer in China. As a global EPC mineral processing solution provider, we have professional technical team and mineral processing research center, mainly dedicated to gold, copper, lead zinc, tantalum, niobium, tungsten, tin, zircon, monazite, chrome, and manganese ore separation. We offer one-stop services including ore separation experiment, engineering design, manufacturing, installation and commissioning, staff training, and plant operation management. Till now, we already finished over than 300 mining and mining industry chain service project, with over 50 types of ore mining and selection technologies and experience. Our company covers an area of 18,000 square meters, with the building area of 6,000 square meters, and each year we can get annual output value 5 billion. Our main equipment is gravity, flotation, and cyanide leaching separation equipment. Our projects distribute in Asia, Africa, South America up to 30 more countries, developed mineral processing technology. Professional mineral processing experiment, first-class mineral processing equipment, and perfect after-sales service has won the majority of customer highly comments and praise. Our mission moving forward through exploration, making breakthroughs through innovation, and growing through development. Our vision, making positive contributions to the world's mining industry.